I'm Robert Nichols, and I've done over $125 million in hard money loans, and most of those loans were for GCs and tradesmen looking to do flips and real estate development. And in today's video, I'm gonna share the story of two of these gentlemen that I helped make the leap from GCing houses, being a GC, into fix and flipping and real estate development. I think it's really important to understand because these are both GCs who started at different places. It took one of them 20 years to do their first flip, and the other one did it in year one. And if you watch this video to the end, I promise you'll have the framework that you can take today and get started making that leap from being a general contractor or tradesman right into real estate development and flipping. And be sure to watch to the end today because I have a special bonus that's really the one secret most folks don't know that will transform your general contracting business and allow you to make that leap overnight. And also, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, as this is a video that I feel is gonna have a massive impact for all of the GCs and tradesmen out there looking to make this leap. Now let's get into it. So today I wanna talk about Eddie first. Eddie's in his 40s. He's a Brazilian contractor, came here from Brazil 20 years ago, and actually a little bit more than 20 years ago now, and was able to make the leap into fix and flipping with his brother. And so Eddie reached out to me back in 2019. He and his brother had done hundreds of projects for homeowners, investors, developers, and they decided it was time for them to really make their leap into investing on the investment side. And so they found a great opportunity working with the local realtor off market. It was a single family that was essentially a teardown of $1 million home that they would eventually build and then sell. And while this is a phenomenal story, I think that Eddie and his brother definitely could have made the leap a lot sooner had they watched this video. And so now I'm gonna contrast this with Noah's story. Noah was a 22-year-old investor who reached out to me around the same time. He had just gotten out of college and decided he wanted to get into the construction industry. He had studied construction management. He had gotten his GC license, but he had never done a single project of his own. And so what ended up happening was Noah went online, found some online lender that wasn't me. They gave him a song, they gave him the dance, they told him everything he wanted to hear. And about a week before the closing, they pulled the rug from under him and said, Noah, sir, we just did our research. We saw you're only 22. We saw you don't have a net worth of $250,000, what college student does, unless you were born rich, and we cannot do your loan. And so Noah, while he was devastated, his attorney connected him with me. I took a look at his situation. I looked at how he was able to raise the money. He was able to do the deal with no money down. I looked at his construction background and kind of his full-time job, and we were able to get him the funding on his first fix and flip of a single family that was a smashing success. And so I'm gonna backtrack a little bit and tell you how Noah found his deal, how he raised the money to do it, so that you guys can take that same framework and apply it to your business. So let's get started here, as I'm gonna do an illustration that all of you guys should be able to relate to here. So let's say, in this case, it's you, right? This is Noah, but this is you. Noah ended up going to a meetup, and you can do the same, where he was able to connect with a wholesaler, right? So we're gonna say wholesaler. And in some cases, this is a good realtor that works with investors as well. And so this wholesaler ended up finding the deal, but Noah didn't have any money. So what did he do next? In the same group, he was able, and we're gonna put the investor out here, to connect with an equity investor who wanted to invest in deals, right? So this is the investor. He was able to connect with this guy after he found the deal. And so the investor initially wasn't convinced in Noah being able to do this deal. And so what did Noah end up doing? He ended up building some additional team members here, right? So he added a lawyer who specialized in real estate investing. He added an insurance broker who specialized in real estate insurance for investments. And then he also added some additional team members who could help with the project, some subcontractors. Subcontractors, these are your plumbers, your masons, your electricians, everyone else, your heating, HVAC guys. There's everyone else who's gonna help you get the project done. And so once he built this team around him, guess what happened? Mr. Investor said, you know what, Noah, I like your style. Let's get into business together. And he was able to attract the investor to give him the down payment money. And so I want to give you guys the inner workings of how this works, the structure. Mr. Investor gave Noah 20%, which covers his down payment. Me, as his lender, and that's the last piece of the puzzle, excuse me, I was the lender on this one, his hard money lender. And I didn't put that first because the one he found really they didn't cut it, right? They didn't deliver for him. So your hard money lender. So hard money lender puts up 80% of the money. And then what does that leave? It leaves the money for the work. So we give you 80% of the purchase price, but we give you 100% of the construction budget. So essentially, because Noah in this case went to this meetup, he was able to connect with a wholesaler that found him the deal. He was able to find a great experienced real estate lawyer. He was able to find an insurance broker, subcontractors, and most importantly, an investor to fund his down payment. And so I share this because anyone out there can take this same model and take this same framework and apply it to your business. You don't have to be experienced to do this. You know, as I shared, Eddie waited 20 years, Noah did it in year 1. Why not you? Why wait? This is possible for anyone out there. So this 22-year-old was able to make 5 figures on his first flip, no money down, and it really just serves as a powerful example of what we can do when we put our minds to it and stop relying on just your strength. As you can see at these meetups, you're able to connect with some powerful people with a ton of experience to really support you and get you where you want to be. So in order to find these meetups, where do you find these meetups? You've got meetup.com. There are plenty of real estate meetups on there. You've got eventbrite.com. And then you also have the National RIA group. So that's REIA. If you do your local RIA chapter, if you Google that, you'll start to see which real estate RIA groups are near you, and just start going, start connecting. And one of the most powerful things, especially as contractors and trades folks out there, they want guys like you, guys and girls like you there. There's a lot of women in the trades as well. So I'm not out here acting like I don't know. I know plenty of women on in the construction trades. But ultimately, they want you folks there because you have a skill set that none of these other people have. So even if you don't decide to fix and flip, it's a great way for you to build a community around you that can support you as an investor, support you in your trade, and to build business that will help you make more money and really start to transform your life and get comfortable in these environments and get comfortable with the thought of flipping if for you it might be something where you need some more time. And so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. There are definitely links below to connect with me. And then lastly, I promise you guys, one secret that many folks don't know about, it's one hack that a lot of investors don't realize they can tap into very easily, and it's called gap funding. And so while Noah had to go to a meetup to find an investor, let's say you have a great deal and you've already got a great team. You just need the capital to get started. Google gap lender in your area. There's also national chapters of Gator Lending, where they're a well-known gap lender around the country. My team and I also can help you source a gap lender in your area if you need that support for your 20% down or additional money for your carrying costs. Keep in mind, the terms and rates for gap funding is typically about 20 to 25% for the money. Sometimes you can get as low as 15, but most times it's around 20 right now. And that does fluctuate with the market. And then for the hard money capital that we provide, you're usually looking at a rate from anywhere from 11% up to 13%, depending on your experience, depending on the deal, depending on the down payment. And then we charge points for this money. So points are percentage points. So 2% would be the fee we get to 3% for us giving you your initial loan when it comes to funding hard money deals. I hope you found this video helpful. Definitely check out the links below, as there are tons of resources to really help you get into the game, grow your business, learn the business, and really transform your life financially to really achieve your financial goals and find financial freedom. As always, stay tuned for more, and thanks for tuning in.